I cannot wait for this.
No, I'm looking forward to it, to be honest. It feels like such a long time since we've been here.
Hi guys, good morning, how are you?
Good morning, Malcolm.
Yeah,
Come on in, yeah, I haven't seen you in a long time. It's been months, but now you can actually see what's going to be your new home. Because we're going out on an active building site, we're going to be putting on PPE today. If anything's not in place as we discussed, if I've misinterpreted anything, this is a really good opportunity to make sure we get it right. So what we do is we just go down, we'll meet James.
Cool. Yeah, obviously we're going to head down to your plot and we'll stick to the walkways and that, and we're going to show you at the first fix stage and then give you a good tour around your house.
Perfect. Looking forward to it.
All right, so yeah, guys, we've just come up to your house on the right-hand side here.
Wow.
We're in a really good position, actually. All the scaffolds down.
It's good to see it.
Amazing, for real. Really excited to get inside.
Yeah.
It feels really strange, actually, coming into it for the first time.
First time in our new home.
Yeah.
We really didn't know what to expect. As soon as we went through those doors, you're speechless for all reasons, really. So it's really good to see it.
So yeah, now's a great time which you never usually get to see the house at this stage.
I don't come from a building background, so really it's kind of questions about what are we looking at, behind the walls of the house. So it's really good to be able to see, what a hot and a cold water pipe is, because to me, I wouldn't really know.
Fair few questions they usually ask. Things like, can we store stuff up in the loft? When's my house going to be complete? That sort of stuff.
Almost a bit speechless, really. Seeing it there in the person, it really just solidified that we've made the right decision coming here and being with Redrow, because not only are the houses stunning with their heritage collection, but the quality is impeccable.
Look, this is your bedroom.
Yeah.
Which is a great size, isn't it?
Seeing the size of the walls and where all the wires and that are is quite important, so we know where to nail into the wall and whatnot, just in case.
Best practices as such, and say making sure we protect the pipe work, the cables, to make sure that the customer's not going to screw through a pipe or anything like that.
And we've obviously got quite a lot of extras that we actually moved around as well.
Yeah, things like the extra power sockets that we've had put around the property, especially in the garage and the bedrooms. We've had them added in and also moved around.
All of the markings for electrics, waters, it's so good to see that they put those little details in. And with the pipes, they were wrapping metal coils around, so if one day you forget where a pipe is, you can get like a metal detector out and you can just check it, which is really nice.
The options process is conducted in the marketing suite on site. So you come in on a date that's pre-arranged and basically run down the list of the things that you'd like. There's also a really good system on the internet called My Redrow, where you can pick and choose remotely from home.
It's really nice to actually be able to walk around and see everything, because otherwise if we bought it a lot longer down the line, we're not going to be able to see this.
You can see the sort of excitement on their faces. When we first got up to the house, it's their first house, and you can see they want to get in there and check all the rooms and that, and it's sort of a sense of pride really that you're doing that for them, and they're really happy about it.
I'd sum up the hard hat visit as amazing, in a word.
Better than what we thought it ever could have been, to be honest. It's a part of our journey that we'll remember.